On a stormy night, Leo heard a soft meow meow outside. Curious and concerned, he tiptoed toward the window.
Whoa. Hey there, little guy. You look soaked. Come in.
Leo gently laid down a towel. The cat curled up, eyes soft with relief.
You're safe now. Just rest, okay? I'll be right here if you need anything.
Morning came. Leo blinked open his eyes. There, curled beside him, was his unexpected guest.
Hey, those are my shoelaces. You're trouble already. Nope. Paws off my breakfast. You had yours. Seriously, you're worse than my alarm clock. Time to go, buddy. Come on. Seriously. Come on. You're not making this easy. Seriously. You're just gonna sit there and stare at me? Come on. Time to go, buddy. Oh no. Stop. What are you doing?
The cat had made itself at home and chaos followed.
Okay, this isn't working. You've turned my room into a jungle gym. I'm taking you back before you wreck the whole house. It's not that I don't like you. It's just, my life's not made for a cat. You deserve someone who really understands you, not a kid who barely keeps his socks matched.
His steps were heavy, and though he glanced back, he didn't stop. Some choices feel like they tear you in two. Leo set the cat down. It meowed, but he turned and walked away. The goodbye he never wanted to say. The house felt quieter, emptier, and Leo felt it in his chest. Leo's eyes found the empty spot where the cat had slept. The towel was still there, but the warmth was gone, and the weight of goodbye settled in.
I shouldn't have left you. I hope you're okay out there.
By morning, Leo had made up his mind. He wasn't letting go without trying.
Here, kitty. Where'd you go? Come on, don't hide now. Is that you? Please be there. Please. Please.
Then a soft meow. It was him. Leo froze, heart pounding. He pushed the branches aside. And there he was, curled up, waiting. And everything else faded away.
I found you. I'm so sorry. Come home. I missed you, Furball.
Together again, under a clearing sky. Sometimes love just finds a way. The house felt brighter, alive again.
You brought him back.
Yeah, I couldn't leave him.
All right. He can stay. But you're cleaning the litter box.
There, all warm and clean again. You like that, huh?
Even the silence purred. They shared more than snacks now, little moments, quiet and full of care. A boy and his cat, no longer strangers. They found their rhythm.
No, you can't help me with math. But thanks anyway. You're good at distracting me, though.
Some routines change everything. And and some fur makes it better.
You like animals, huh? Me too. Especially troublemakers like you.
The sun set slowly, but they stayed together. No need to rush when you're home. And so, what began as a rainy night became the start of something special, a friendship stitched in silence and meow.